This portable smart pump comes in this very simple box. You can see the product information. It comes with this handy pouch with a zipper. So let's look inside. The included manual is very detailed. Here's the actual pump. And the size is so small I can almost cover it with my hand, which is unbelievable. There is a large display on top and a single air hose on the bottom with an already attached nozzle for your car tires. The convenient handle makes it easy to carry. In addition, there is a built-in flashlight, so you can see what you're doing when you use this pump in the dark places. On the opposite side, there is an input for a cigarette lighter adapter. Just in case you forget to charge this pump, you can still use it by connecting it to your vehicle's cigarette lighter socket. There is a USB Type-C input for charging, because this device has its own battery, and that's why it's cordless. There is a power button to turn the pump on and off. So let's turn the power on. In the upper display you have presets, which make the whole thing into a single button operation. Just pick what you will inflate: a ball, bicycle, motorcycle, regular car or heavy SUV. And the pump will automatically set the recommended air pressure. On the lower display you can turn the flashlight when it's dark. You can always adjust the preset numbers using these plus and minus buttons, as I'm about to show you. After you set everything, you hit the start button and start pumping. And finally, in settings you can change your preferred measurements. For example, we use PSI here in the United States, but if you like to measure in bars or kilopascals or whatever, you can change it here in settings. Let's turn it off for now. So it comes with two cables. One is a USB type for charging, which you can use the same way as you charge your cell phone. And the second cable is an optional cigarette lighter adapter, which you can use whenever you forget to charge the pump. This ShockFlo smart pump comes with these extra nozzles, which is outstanding. One to inflate any balloons, including the water floats. And the second needle nozzle is used to inflate a ball. Also included is one spare fuse. The thing is very simple and I like the simplicity, but let me show you how easy this pump works so you can see it with your own eyes. Since it's cordless, you can place it anywhere you want. Then remove the entire valve cap and don't lose it. Now let's attach this air nozzle. For the sake of this video, I'll pump all the tires to 40 psi. And turn the power on. I'll select an SUV in the presets and adjust it to 40 psi using the plus and minus buttons. Before I start pumping, the display measures the current air pressure, which is 33.5 right now. Once I hit the start button, the air compressor will work until it reaches 40 psi. And then it will shut off automatically. Very simple. But I'd like to measure how long it will take to add the 7 psi to this big wheel. So it's at 39.5 right now, and now it has reached 40. So it should stop automatically because that's the number I set. And bam! Done. So it took me 2 minutes and 32 seconds to increase the tire pressure by 7 psi. Try to unscrew the nozzle quickly so you don't let the air out. And let's put the cap back. But it's not a big deal since you can always add some more air if you want to. But what will happen if you forget to charge this ShockFlo smart pump? And the good news is you can still use it via cigarette lighter adapter. Just plug it in, it has enough length to reach any tire. But what else can it do? I got this soccer ball as a present from one of my good customers working for ESPN. This ShockFlo smart pump conveniently comes with this needle pin nozzle, designed specifically for balls. So let's stick it in. Select the ball preset and I'll adjust it to 8 psi. This pump actually comes with a chart of recommended pressures for various sports. and it takes only a few seconds, so you have to watch out because we don't want to blow up the neighborhood. 6.5, 7 psi, and I'll stop because I think it's fine. Usually a soccer ball is somewhere between 7 and 8 psi. I'm so happy I brought this ball back to life so I can play soccer with my kids again. During my recent vacation, I had to inflate this swimming fish balloon for my daughter so many times I thought I would blow my brains out. No more, because now this little pump can take care of it. I'll use the second universal attachment to do the job. Again, let's switch the power on, but this time I'll start pumping the air without any presets. The pump will not stop automatically if you hit the start button without setting the preset. So you have to watch out and stop pumping air yourself. Make sure to stop the pump as soon as it's done. Great. Usually I like to talk about the product's pros and cons, but the only one thing I would suggest is to make the air hose a little longer, because it's hard to reach the top on the larger wheels. I mean, it's not a big deal, you just need to move your wheels a little or raise the pump itself. Other than that, it's a fantastic tool that I personally think every driver must have.